Well, I got bugs. I don't know a lot about pests and stuff like I should, but my neighbor came over and looked at these, the curl leaves like that, and then looked under them. And very seldom do I come out here with my glasses on because I can't ever see them. Yep, look at that. Got aphids. Got aphids curling these leaves up. So we're gonna spray and try to get rid of these things. Got just the thing for them too. So for these aphids and for a bunch of bugs, this listed on the container, I'm going to use some Monterey Bug Buster 2. Covers aphids, covers squash bugs, vine borers, some worms, and all sorts of stuff. So I'm going to spray all my tomatoes, and I'm going to spray my squash plants, kind of give them a head start on the squash bugs. Plus I do have some aphids on the squash plants. But I'm suited up a little bit, got long pants, long shirt on. I've got some gloves. These aren't chemical gloves, but will offer me a little bit of protection as I raise the leaves up on those plants to try to get up under the leaves with this spray. Now I put this off for a few days because we got some rain, and you can only spray every 7 days with it, so I wanted to make sure I got them. Gonna raise these leaves up. The leaves especially look damaged, and they definitely are. But also, I'll spray the tops, and I want to make sure I get under those leaves because that's where they're hiding. Now this is a pyrethroid, which is the synthetic version of a natural insecticide, pyrethrins, and this is not organic. So spray the tops, and I'm just going to make sure I try to get up under those leaves real well. I don't think I'm going to handle them that much anymore. And this, the pyrethrin, the natural one, is a contact killer. It kills just what it touches, but pyrethroid kills like for 7 days. So it has residual characteristics also. Just want to make sure I get under it, because if I don't, that's where they're going to run. And it says spray till it starts to run off, so that's what I've done there. I hope I'm getting them all. I think I will. So let me just back the camera off a little bit, and I'll just get after it, start doing the vast majority of these in one fell swoop. So, got that done. I've got some beans. I may go over there and hit my beans real quick. Just want to show you this real quick. I'm not going to do my corn yet. I don't really worry about corn except for corn worms, earworms, and they tear me up. So I'll have to spray for them, and we'll show you that when I do. But for right now, we are we're done with these, and again, I'll spray green beans and probably be done with it. I got about less than a half gallon left, so 1 gallon went a long way. That's good. Hopefully these will start looking better. I'll probably go back over the ones I rushed on, the tomatoes that I kind of rushed through. I'll go back over them and give them a once over again. Supposed to spray till till runoff, like I said. Let me wash up, and I think we're gonna call it a day as far as killing bugs go. All right, we're gone.